So, hi again. This is today's movie is about how to make a wheel, the bike repair stand for only, let's say, €5 or $5 or $10, depends on how much you spend on the waste material. So as you can see in here, this arm is actually has a professional functionality. As you can see in here, what is the benefit of this arm is that when you close and you come to the 0 point, which is probably in here, it actually self-lock the arm, so it's impossible that something would open it. Of course, this is a prototype. You still see there were a lot of problems with the welding because I didn't have the right size of the welding electrode, but it consists from the square 30 tubes, thin wall. You can use also a little bit thicker wall, it doesn't matter, better for welding. These are two tubes, square tubes. These are just let's say 4 or 5 mil thickness sheet metal, as well as in here. This inside, you can see in here, have casual M12 where I drilled 2 holes and screw inside M6 Allen screws. This is the spindle. This spindle is already, this is actually just casual, how to say, long screw with triple spring inside, but of course during the service, long-term service, this spindle has to be changed because it's already a little bit curved, but you can see still works fine. Why I'm using 3 springs is actually for better modulation when we close the arm. Of course, this arm doesn't have any movement to rotate in this side, but you can additionally make some kind of turning, how to say, turning plate that you can position the arm in different ways. In here, this is just one square, I mean not square, a round tube, which I cut on half, and then I put some rubber not to damage the holder of the saddle. And also you can put some clothes. Usually I put some clothes like this, so when you, let me try to put one pipe inside to demonstrate. You just put inside and then you close it. Sometimes you see, and it's impossible that you would open the arm. So this is actually professional bike repair stand, which I recommend to make to everyone who wants to have a professional functionality inside your home. In here also, this is actually casual bar with telescopic thread pin, which I can adjust to the floor, and this is just one stand from the chair, which I got it from the waste material. So for all details of this arm, if someone is very interesting to make it by himself for about $10, I can send the entire technical documentation and drawings how to make it. Thanks for watching.